spring's here. Oh my god, yay! So welcome ladies and gentlemen. My name's Pam Hata here at the Brushgrove Hotel. Dark sacred night, and I think to myself, hey, what a wonderful world. All the colors of the rainbow are so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Ooh, yeah, yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. All the colors of the rainbow are so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow, yeah. They learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, ooh, what a wonderful world. Ooh, yes, I think to myself, yeah, yeah. What a wonderful If that doesn't remind you of spring, I don't know what does. Anybody notice? I don't know if it's hot or cold lately. Like you get really hot days and then night time you're like, oh, aircon, oh, heater. Which way are we going today? I'm lucky that I've got 3 stappies. So one, I don't ever have any personal space between me and my children and my husband. And I'm also never cold. Might smell a bit funky sometimes. But my heart is full and that's what matters. way out, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta say now, oh, one day I'll make it out, even if it takes all night, oh, 100 years, need a place to hide. But I can't find what me wanna take some time outside, but I can't find my feeling. As I love all alone, heartache glass my mind or song. Time in pieces, skin and bone. How love will come home. Walking out of time, trying to find a better place, but something's on my mind. So I guess I gotta get away. Oh, I hope one day I'll make it out, even if it takes all night, oh, 100 years, need a place to hide. But I can't find one, me wanna take some time. But I can't find my way. Isn't it lovely? Oh, I lost my mind or snow. Time in pieces, skin and bone. How love will come home. Oh, that love will come home. No, seriously, I was playing at a resort last weekend, and in the breaks, you know how they play music, and you cross your fingers and you hope that the house music sort of matches your vibe, so that it's not like hard rock, and then you come up and you're singing pretty girl music, just ruining the ride for everybody who's vibing. And they kept playing like man acoustic versions of Britney Spears, and I couldn't get my head around it. Like Toxic and Oh Baby Baby was just in my head the entire time while I'm trying to remember words to songs. Like, oh, I think I've found my Achilles heel. Just play me Britney Spears in the breaks and I won't know where I'm at. When I come back from the break, there's only one thing for it: pina coladas. So here's something that's a little bit jammy. Hey, welcome, welcome. understand. I tried so hard to be your man. Time for a man you want, yeah. Won't be making out get to you again. Empty shell left of me, shadow on my heart taking over me. Just walked away, just won't be there. Easy fun, easy load, I pretend 'cause anytime I think you let me know, and anytime I think you get me go, anytime I see you let me know, when I'm ready to see, just let me go, 'cause I'm moving it, and I'm begging, I don't want to lose you. Oh yeah, da-da-da-da, I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hands down, baby. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hands down, darling. Yeah, oh, oh, oh. Put your loving hands down, da-da-da-da. Yeah, oh, oh, put your loving hands down. Hands down, baby. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, yeah. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, yeah. Oh, I need you where you are. Never been another girl like you before. So, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. You can tell by the way I used to walk, I'm a woman's man, no time to use a laugh. When I'm not kicking around since I was born. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Telling the way I use my work, I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. Using a laugh, women's moments, kicking around since I was born. So dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, yeah, yeah. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, yeah. Somewhere please call 911. Tell him I got shot down. Yeah, it's beating through my soul. I feel my body getting close, so cold. I could tell you could tell me, can't shoot anything around me, singing dollar dollar bill, yo, dollar dollar bill, yo. I could tell me, can't shoot anything around me, singing dollar dollar bill, yo, dollar dollar bill, yo. You can tell when you're having fun, but I always forget what song I'm playing. They goes all different. There has been a epic occasion across the ditch back home. My mum let me know. Well, what most people don't know around here is my family grew up in the Kinitanga. Well, through my grandmother's line, we are with the Kinitanga, which is the Māori royal family. You can usually spot us because we got a lot of this going on, you know? Everybody has their turn. And a couple of days ago, I think they just had the tangihanga for our king, which is, it means funeral. Tangihanga means funeral. And so there's a song that we would normally sing when people pass away. And I'm trying to figure out, I can't remember how to play it. whakara ia mai. King Tuhatia was his name, and he would pass. I think he was survived by Te Aotearangi Kahu, and we have a princess who's next in line, whose name I don't know, that I probably should know, because that would be like second, third auntie on mum's side, which is weird. We don't learn a lot about the women's side in our family. A lot of the land acquisition and rights go by a patriarchal structure, so you go through your father's side to figure all of that out, and hopefully you have sons, because that means you're a good wife, and hopefully you can cook as well. It's a bit old school, works out in the end. I think I had a son first, but no, I fell in the kitchen, definitely. But then I win again because I get to play guitar. Next up, we have the Skewered Skanks. And they're like, oh my gosh, zigzag and roll, zigzag and roll. Someone's car's going off. Okay. Do you guys need me to play another one while you get ready, or are you good? You good? Alright, they're good. Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, Skewered Skanks!
And this is an original song I wrote. I played it last time I was here. It's called, it hasn't really got a name, but it's about my life and my childhood and the way I grew up. Usually it has guitar, not today, but we've got a lovely bassist. So. Okay, great.
Crying under the weight of the world.
too, because women make up about 3% of the industry, and there just needs to be more of us. I also know a really cool chick guitarist that you guys need to talk to, who's super shy, but we'll hook that up in the break. Next up we have, who's on the... Andrea!
I was hoping I'd get forgotten about, actually.
She's like, doo-doo-doo. Oh. I'm trying to, there's actually doo-doo-doo. Do you know the strut song? This is my strut. Doo-doo-doo. Strut my way on over to you. Nope. That's a big guitar. So yeah, I will get off the stage and we'll get ready for Andrea.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There was plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and here, no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was filled with sound. Been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of the river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. Been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. After 9 days, I let the horse run free. The desert had turned to a sea. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The ocean is a desert with its life underground, and it's loving the skies above. Under the cities lies a heart made of ground, but the humans will give no love. Been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. La 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 la. Thank you. Sorry about the voice, everybody, but I'm having a lot of trouble breathing with this sinus thing, so not going too bad though for it. All right. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad in the stillness of the night. what you lost, what you have, what you lost. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. Now here I go again, I see crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams. And have you any dreams you like to sell? Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you had, what you lost, what you had, what you lost. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. You know. You will know. You know.
I always get to my third song and I'm like, I don't want to play next. So we're playing a few different ones this week. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I've been learning an Avril Lavigne song, and I'm going to give it a go if I can remember everything to it. Give it a try, anyway.
Please wrap your drunken arms around me. I'll let you call me yours tonight. 'Cause slightly broken's just what I need. If you give me what I want.
Lost the rhythm.
Give me what I want, and I'll give you what you like. Please tell me I'm your one and only, or a lie and say at least tonight. I've got a brand new cure for lonely. You give me what I want, and I'll give you what you like. When you turn off the lights, I get stars in my eyes. Is this love? Maybe one day, turn on the lights, give you what you like. love's a word you never heard. And in a room of empty bottles, don't give me what I want, then you'll get what you deserve. When you turn off the lights, I get stars in my eyes. Is this love? Maybe one day. Got this seed in my head, I'm not sure how it ends. Is this love? Maybe someday. So don't turn on the lights, I'll give you what you like. Give you what you like. I'll give you one last chance to hold me. You give me one last cigarette. But now it's only in the morning that I gave you what you want. All I want is to forget. When you turn off the lights, I get stars in my eyes. Is this love? Maybe one day. Got this seed in my head, I'm not sure how it ends. Is this love? Maybe someday. So don't turn on the lights, I'll give you what you like. Give you what you like. Give you what you like. Give you what you like.
Who have we got next?
Me.
What? It's me. That's Peter. Peter's coming up. That's a round of applause for Peter.
Just one word, Jared. I must compliment Jared on the sound tonight. It's magnificent. Not quite just in without getting electrocuted. And Andrea, you do such a great job. You should be Andromeda, like a star.
Oh, thank you.
Absolute star. Just back from the Gibby muster, and there's 44,000 people there, and it was terrific, absolutely terrific. I was talking to a bloke and he said, my son's a bit sombre. He's got something to tell me. And I said, what, is he gay? And he said, no, it wasn't that. I said, has he become a Jehovah's Witness? He said, no, it's a lot worse than that. I said, what's worse than being a Jehovah's Witness? He said, he's become a vegan. And here's a little vegan poem. Imagine if everyone in the world suddenly turned into a vegan. That would include Marco, Muzz, Errol and Harry Regan. What about the animals? Would we have to cull the cattle? And moving round the country would be a constant battle. Livestock would be wandering everywhere, as though their lives had lost their meaning. And what about their droppings? Would we be reduced to cleaning? Would the Casino Beef Festival become the splendour of the lettuce leaf? Would Essery's tales of his dairy cattle create too much audience grief? There'd be 50 billion uneaten chickens flapping everywhere, and methane gas from the farting cattle would pollute our precious air. My overseas modelling contract I'd have to grimly protect. I can't go modelling underwear looking like a stick insect. I'm not that big on tofu, I'm not sure if you boil or bake, but I know I'd rather prefer a great big juicy steak. I got no beef against vegans, so I'll try not to mince my words. Meat is not that evil, the way is not just curds, the carnivore is not over, it's the way it's meant to be. So de-veganise now and save the planet. and set your palates free. Thank you. I don't know, ever tried to change, do you think it'd be simple to change strings on the ukulele? But I've turned them up that much that you think they're about 4 kilometres long. And you can't believe how much they stretch. Here's an old song. He remembers the first time he met her. He remembers the first thing she said. He remembers the first time he held her. And the night she came to his bed. He remembers the sweet way of saying, honey, has something gone wrong? He remembers the fun and the teasing, and the reason he wrote her this song. I give you Daisy a daisy, I give you Daisy a day. I love you until the rivers run still, and the four winds we know blow away. They'll walk down the street in the evening. For years I'd seen them go by. Love that was more than the clothes that they wore, could be seen in the gleam of their eyes. As a kid they would take me for candy. I'd love to go tagging along. We'd hold hands as we walked to the corner, and the old man would sing her this song. I give you Daisy a daisy, I give you Daisy a day. I love you until the rivers run still, and the four winds we know blow away. Now he walks down the street in the evening and stops by the old candy store. I somehow believe he's believing. He's holding her hand like before. He sees all in love walking with him and smiles at the things she might say. Then the old man walks up to the hilltop and gives her a daisy a day. I give you a daisy a daisy, I give you a daisy a day. I love you until the rivers run still, and the four winds we know blow away. Hey. Got some Guinness stuck in my throat. And that's a liquid. I never felt more like singing the blues. I never thought that I'd ever lose your love. Why'd you do me that way? Never felt more like crying all night. Everything's wrong, nothing ain't right without you. You got me singing the blues. The moon and the stars no longer shine. The dream is gone, I thought was mine. Nothing left for me to do, to cry over you. Yeah, I never felt more like running away. Why should I go? 'Cause I couldn't stay without you. You got me singing the blues. The moon and the stars no longer shine. The dream is gone, I thought was mine. Nothing left for me to do, to cry over you. Hey! That'll do. I just got one more part. Is any Russians here? You're not Russian, are you? No? I didn't think so. You look more intelligent. Apologies to any other Russians there, but the thing is, are you Russian, eh? Yeah. Oh.
Russian away.
Right. Oh, you always Anyway, the Russian army, they never used to pay them. So there's an actual true story where the Russians actually went to this farm and stole all the cows to eat because they were that hungry. So they had 20 cows there at 30,000 feet in the plain. It was a Cessna, and unfortunately they had to drop them in the ocean. It was a bad day for a couple of Japanese fishermen. And there is a Russian accent in there from a very obscure part of Russia called Lawrence. This Russian army is bringing me down. We have not been paid for ages. You're right there, Vladimir. We can't get food without our wages. Why not steal some cattle? We can take the army plane. We'll fly them off and cook them to ease this hunger pain. So, we loaded the transport plane with 20 big fat cattle. But once we got up in the sky, the craft, she began to rattle. The cows, they moving back and forth and make the plane not stable. To keep the airplane in the air, I don't think we're able. Then Ivan, he said to me, Vladimir, I have the solution. We'll open the back of the plane and tip the cattle in the ocean. So, at 30,000 feet, 80 extra feet, and 80 legs, 30 heads, Chernobyl, they're plummeting far from neat. Two fishermen sat in the boat below. Their day had been fairly cushy. They're looking around for tuna schools to give their people sushi. Fuji looked up. He'd been hooked before with his solitary working eye. Okimoto! Okimoto! Is Brazilian. There's cows coming out of the sky. Okimoto was down below, thought Fuji was a little wacky, so he checked the pantry just to ensure the level of the sake. Meanwhile, out in the sky, the cows are coming at 700 kilometres an hour. If one hit, it was boat Hiroshima, one could imagine the power. And hit one did, though fortunately it had recently bore a calf. Still the weight from the mighty creature split the boat in half. Somehow both them all survived. And people asked them, how? And Fuji had to tell them, we're hit by a falling cow. Okimoto owned the boat, didn't know who to blame, so he used Fuji's incredible story to fill in the insurance claim. The insurance people looked at him. They thought they'd heard them all, and gently explained to Okimoto that cows don't actually fall. Until this day, Okimoto has still not won the battle, and you'll often see him scanning the sky, searching for falling cattle. Thank you.